Good evening. From today onwards, we are supposed to start AP history, Andhra Pradesh history for Group 2. In fact, it has been announced earlier also. But today we could not start because Sir could not come today because of his personal reasons. And Sir expressed very sorry for not coming. And he was also missing you all people. And he was so happy with the affection that has been showered by you on that sir for Indian history. As I told you, the same gentleman who taught Indian history is also going to teach you Andhra Pradesh history. And he said he is also missing you all very much, but he will be coming from July 11th onwards. July 11th onwards, he will be coming and he will be taking up the AP history classes for English medium. Fine, and this is for Group 2 batch. And this is a message to you all. You all must be waiting for our sir, but he will be joining us from July 11th onwards. Fine, and still we have time, and we have announced certain, this discounted periods. And if anybody still wants to join our batch, you may please join. This is the Group 2 for both AP and Telangana separately. For Andhra Pradesh, Telugu medium and English medium separately. And the fees is just 5,900 rupees including GST. That will cover both prelims and main examination. In the mains, you have 3 papers, 1, 2, 3. All the papers very effectively covered. And whatever the AP history that is going to be started from July 11th onwards is a part of paper 2. And other part being Indian polity. Fine. And for that, from July 11th onwards, classes are going to be commenced. And the students who are yet to join, you may please join. Take a pic of this particular, this page. You can see my Google Pay number or Phone Pay or Paytm number. After the payment is done, please send the given details to my WhatsApp number. That is also the same number. And please join before July 7th, 2020, night 11:30. Before night 11:30, at any time you can join to avail this discount. Clear? And now I would like to show you, even our site. This is our site www.onlineias.com. And the admissions are open even for GS 2020. You can check here. APPSC 2020 Group 2. You can come down here, you can watch the demos, right? Then you go for the registration, or you can pay directly through the Paytm or Google Pay. Fine. Similarly, the students who are aspiring for SA of Police, you may come here and you may please join. Fine. And kindly make a note that you are expected to join before July 7th, night 11:30. Even on July 8th, 9th, 10th also you can join. But the prices are going to be increased. Clear? From 19,000s, it has been brought down to 5,900 for the benefit of so many students who want to avail this particular qualitative course. And I would like to also announce that from today we have also started pure maths part of essay of police. Pure maths, which is another very important component in essay of police exam. For English medium, the whole reasoning, quants, data interpretation, pure maths, everything is done. And as far as Telugu medium is concerned, reasoning is done, quants is done, data interpretation is also done. So we are left with pure maths, and that pure maths has been started today. And the students who are interested to join for essay of police, you are also most welcome. And the fees for both prelims and mains put together is just 2,900 rupees. That will also include the mains paper like, Telugu paper and also English paper. This is a fantastic opportunity. Make use of this and kickstart your preparation. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the classes. Thank you.